Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, consider the following statements. First, the barren island volcano is an active volcano located in the Indian territory. Second, barren island lies about 140 km east of Great Nicobar. Third, the last time the barren island volcano erupted was in 1991 and it has remained inactive since then. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 and 3, C 3 only, D 1 and 3. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option number A 1 only. So, Barren Island volcano became active again in March 1991. A second phase of eruptions started in 1995. So, it means third statement is wrong. By elimination, we have the answer A 1 only. So, this was about Barren Island volcano. So, volcano topic is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So, this question was framed from current affairs of volcano which was in the news back then. So you should cover current affairs also related to volcano and landslides, basically disasters. So now let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements. First, the Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few thousand years. Second, when the earth was created more than 4000 million years ago, there was 54% oxygen and no carbon dioxide. Third, when living organisms originated, they modified the early atmosphere of the earth. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option C 1 and 3 only. So in NCERT biology it is written that there was no atmosphere on early earth. Water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide and ammonia released from molten mass covered the surface. So option number second is wrong. And carbon dioxide was present. We are left with option A or C. So in both the options, first statement is correct, but experts were divided over third statement because early atmosphere of Earth had no free oxygen. The life forms until then could at least be only anaerobic. So those living organisms did not have the capacity to alter the atmosphere, at least not in a significant manner. Accordingly, some ticked A while other ticked C, but UPSC has kept option number C as the official answer. So, option number C is the official answer of this question. So, you should know about Earth's magnetic field and related topic to this. So, now let us discuss question number 3. The most important fishing grounds of the world are found in the regions where option number A, warm and cold atmospheric currents meet, B, rivers drain out large amounts of fresh water into the sea, option number C, warm and cold oceanic currents meet, option D, continental shelf is undulating. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option C, warm and cold oceanic currents meet. So the mixing of warm and cold current in the region where planktons are found is food for fishes. The temperature is just right for them to survive. The temperature is just right for the growth of fish food called planktons. So that's it all about question number 3. So this was the conceptual question that was asked from geography. So you should know the conceptual part of geography. So now let us discuss question number 4. Which of the following is or are tributary of Brahmaputra? First, Dibang. Second, Kameng. Third, Lohit. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, 1, 2 and 3. So the Brahmaputra enters India in the state of Arunachal Pradesh from its original source, Tibet, and is joined by the Dibang River and the Lohit River at the head of the Assam Valley. It is joined in Sonitpur by the Kameng River or Jia Boreli. Brahmaputra's main left bank tributaries with Dibang or Sikang and Lohit. The important right bank tributaries are the Subansiri, Kameng, Manas and Sankosh. Therefore, all three are correct options. So you should know the important rivers, the main rivers in Indian drainage system. So you should know the main tributaries of that river. For example, tributaries of Brahmaputra, tributaries of Ganga, Yamuna. So UPSC can ask a question on Ganga next year, maybe. So you should cover these topics from standard sources and basic NCERTs. So now let us discuss question number 5. Which one of the following is the characteristic climate of the tropical Savannah region? Option A, rainfall throughout the year. Option B, rainfall in winters only. Option C, an extremely short dry season. Option D, a definite dry and wet season. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, a definite dry and wet season. So Savannah covers approximately 20% of the Earth's land area. The largest area of Savannah is in Africa. The tropical Savannah region has a definite dry and wet season. Savannah grasslands are much richer in humus than the equatorial forest. So you should know the main climatic regions like tropical Savannah and all other regions. So this is extremely important from UPSC Prelims exam point of view. So in 2021 Prelims also UPSC has asked question based on this theme. So you should cover this theme from basic standard sources. So that's all about this video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.